Clouds increasing this evening across our area, and we're going to see a lot of clouds tomorrow as well. So this kind of be a common theme over the next few days. Mild over the next few days. So that's some positive news, but this weekend looks like we're going to be tracking a winter storm and potentially some icy conditions across our area. There's the cold front. It's a very slow moving cold front. So we're seeing that southerly flow ahead of it. That's why we're going to see a few days of some clouds in the area, but at least the temperatures will be mild. So that's some, I guess, positive news to look at. Temperatures currently 51 in Myrtle Beach as well as North Myrtle Beach, 52 for Conway, 54 for Florence, and 51 up in Laurinburg right now. As we go through tonight, those clouds continuing. See a little bit of rainfall up across North Carolina, but as it moves out of the mountains, it kind of fizzles out and then redevelops early tomorrow morning here through the PD and eventually here at the coast. So I can't rule out an isolated sprinkle or two as you wake up tomorrow morning, but I think most of us will just see that cloud cover. Lows tonight will be in the 30s inland, and then as you get closer here to the coast, we're going to be in the mid 40s. So not as cold as it's been over the last few mornings. And as we get throughout the day Thursday, again, mainly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. And again, an isolated shower or two possible. So we see another little surge of moisture as we head into Thursday evening. But then the warmer weather is kind of here for one more day, and then we kind of change things up as we get into Friday, into the weekend. So here's the players on the board. Here's the field. Here's the football field. You got high pressure and you got low pressure over the Gulf. That high pressure is bringing in a lot of cold air to our area. It's cold, dense Arctic air, so it's going to be kind of hovering around at the surface. Meanwhile, you have low pressure developing along the Gulf, and it's going to be riding up the coast. So we call that overrunning. And when we have overrunning moisture, that is a prime setup for freezing rain and even potentially some sleet. So as we go through your Saturday night, you can see that icy mix is here across the Grand Strand into the PD and the border belt. Mainly snow up in North Carolina, but that changes as well. As we get into early Sunday morning, again, a lot of ice across the Grand Strand into the PD and the border belt, and that ice is trailing up to the north. As we go into Sunday afternoon, a little bit warmer here along the immediate coast. And when I say the immediate coast, I'm saying from the coast to the intercoastal waterway, we may be just above freezing, but everybody else still below freezing after that. And we're still dealing with that freezing rain through Sunday night into the first part of Monday morning before things start to clear out on Sunday or Monday afternoon, and things really get better from there. So we're watching the three tracks. This snow track, I don't think is going to be a factor. We don't have to worry about that. It's this green track and this pink track. That's the wintry mix to the rain track. We're somewhere in between that. And when I say a shift in the track, 50 miles one way or the other is going to determine who sees more ice, who could potentially see rain. So the track is key, and we just don't have that track yet. We're still trying to work on that. So that's why there's still some caveats into this forecast. As you can see, through the next several days, we've been tracking this pattern. Now we're in that 3 to 5 day time frame where we're tracking the timing and the precipitation type. And like I said, that track is going to determine that. So here's my winter weather meter for right now. I have it at, it has my attention. We're not to the batten down the hatches yet, but we have it, it has my attention. We'll continue to monitor that. So here's your breakout, here's your impacts. Saturday night through Sunday is going to be our high impacts for ice and cold temperatures. Once we get past Monday morning, things start to get better. There's that winter storm watch for the North Carolina area. Not extended into our area just yet, but watch for that to happen tomorrow. Our 7-day forecast showing warm next few days, and then a lot of wintry weather Saturday, Sunday into the first part of Monday morning. Same thing for the inland areas, that wintry weather hanging around. And then as we get into Tuesday, we start to see things get a little bit better, but it's going to be staying on the cold side of things. So it's a very complicated forecast, and I wish I had more concrete answers for you, but it's really going to depend on how far that low pressure tracks. 50 miles one way or the other is going to be a game changer in who sees what.
Yeah, and so as you just heard from Scotty, no need to batten down the hatches.
Not yet.
Not quite yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
But there
That
may
could
be,
change tomorrow,
we'll
or-
see.
Yeah, we may have
Yeah.
to up the meter to batten down the hatches
Yeah,
tomorrow.
all right.
I hope you do not. But
certainly
we're going
hope
to be
so. Yeah.
safe, and we're going to be tuned
Yes.
in just in case.
Stay in touch with me on social media. I will keep you up to date.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you, Scotty.